Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove payment method on iPhone and iPad in iOS 27. So guys, if you want to remove payment method from your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then go to your profile, and from here you have to go to payment and shipping. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply tap on payment and shipping, and after this wait for some seconds, and here you will see all of your payment methods. So guys, here you can see this. I have already removed my payment method from here. So guys, basically you will see your payment method here, and then if you tap on that payment method, then you will get the delete button or remove button for payment method. So guys, you have to simply tap on that remove button, and after this your payment will be removed from your device. So guys, in this way you can also remove a payment method from your Apple device in iOS 27. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.